Good morning, traders. In this video, I would like to summarize all the events in the trading room in case you missed this month, as well as in financial markets. But first things are first. In front of you, simplicity of Alpha Fibonacci system. In front of you, extremely powerful reminder of knowing your trading range before the start of each and every trading day. This morning price reminding you are dealing with extremely narrow trading range. This morning you are dealing with institutional buy point. Intelligent trader knows this well before market open. Intelligent trader understands it is between institutional buy point with day trading brick wall so close. This creates very aggressive, very choppy market conditions. Nothing else is possible, only this. So when market oversold and market stuck in such massive chop, it is critical part to separate bait from trade. Market loaded with baits right now. This is broker's heaven. When you separate broker's heaven from powerful trading, the skies are the limit. This is where broker printing money. This is where broker having a ball. Intelligent trader knows quite well. You are looking at weakness. You are not seeing the power. Intelligent trader trades only power, never the weakness. And this is a key moment your successful trading starts with. You trade only power. You never take a bait. You never take a weakness. This can last hours. This plays out in the markets at least 40% of the time, especially during oversold market conditions, when price stuck in such junky chop. With a single glimpse, intelligent trader knows with Alpha Fibonacci system. This is junk, this is chop, this is broker's heaven. Intelligent trader also understands your maximum capacity to day trade per day with ultimate focus maximum 90 minutes. After 90 minutes, your focus drops. Your cortisol and testosterone kicks in. This is a test you must pass every day. This is nasty, this is brutal. Only when you pass this test, only when you know your trading range, only when you stop losing money, only when you stop staring at the screen, the skies are the limit. As traders keep sharing from all over the world when they trade Alpha Fibonacci system. If I convert this chart to 5 or any chart you choose to trade, this is a market. This is brutal and nasty. This has been playing out for the last 10 hours. This can play out for the next 20, 30, 50, 80 hours. This is the level you knew not to enter into. And if I convert this chart to 10, this is a market. And if I convert this chart to tick chart, to any chart you choose to trade, this is your trading range this morning. This is on all platforms, all markets. This is with NinjaTrader 8 software. And that's pure price for entry and Alpha Fibonacci for exits. We'll dive much deeper in the live class next. So this is critical test point in front of you. Intelligent trader knows this days in advance. This is institutional buy point. If institutions not stepping in at this institutional buy point, intelligent trader understands sell-off and crash will continue on as we discussed for days. At every single institutional buy point, we're looking at very weak buyers. response at this level will determine markets for days and weeks to come. So here we go, traders. This is a trader who is obsessed with Alpha Fibonacci system. This is a trader who keeps reporting to me consistent, successful results. This is what's required to succeed with anything you do in life. This is how Hamilton wins Formula One. This is how Federer wins Wimbledon. This is how Brady wins Super Bowl. It's exact same thing. Focus and obsession is a must. So if you are watching videos 24/7, you start seeing very, very clearly that the only thing you will ever need is Alpha Fibonacci system, no matter what markets you trade. And that's spectacular effort by intelligent trader who separates trade from bait. So in overnight session we had drastically more favorable conditions. As we have students currently in Australia, in UK, in South Africa, in Florida, in Alabama, in New York, in Monte Carlo, in Russia, every trader decides what chart and what time frame to trade. This is simplicity. Pure price for entry and critical target is reached. I'm projecting software on 3-minute chart. We will discuss with students in the live class all the details of this trade. There is nothing else is possible, only this. No speculation, no gambling here. Ultimate precision only. And again, what do you see right now? You see price moving to the upside. You are not surprised. And if stunning bullish rally will play out this morning, you knew that this is institutional buy point. You are not shorting into this level. If you can drive, if you can walk, if you can talk, you can trade Alpha Fibonacci system. While junky markets remain, while tons of baits everywhere, let's review other instruments that again traders trade globally with Alpha Fibonacci system. Again, market can change in a split second. Again, day trader who trades Alpha Fibonacci system already has all the charts open in front to choose from. That's it. And that's how you trade, knowing in advance where institutional orders sitting and waiting versus absolutely no entry point. And that makes a world of difference. So here's traders share. Clanton shares 14 points on S&P on short prior. No hand holding required. But again and again and again, we are monitoring very important moments in the markets. That's it. And that's how traders supporting each other. And that's how traders understand. This is extremely important markets that will define markets for hours and days to come. If you can chew gum, you can trade Alpha Fibonacci system. As Clanton says, just do the rules. Black and white. Buy with rules from the bold green line, short from the bold red line. Trade with institutions and not against them. And that's the only option this morning. Nothing else is possible, only this. The most important part, strength. There is no strength present yet, only weakness. So here's AMD, one of the students requested. It's in very clear collapse. It's testing very important institutional reversal zone. Exact same thing as S&P, exact same thing as massive number of stocks. It is not wise to buy this stock yet. You are looking at trending bearish crush. And that's what you start with, no matter what chart you trade. Institutional chart. Market oversold on AMD. Testing key institutional buy point. But with a single glimpse, intelligent trader knows sellers remain fully in charge. Only when rules are met, you can buy this market. So if I convert this chart to 60 as Bobby requesting, let's review 60-minute chart. Here's AMD right now. Sellers remain fully in charge. Market in brutal nasty pain. Market oversold. Again, this is AMD hourly chart. This is stock. This is S&P right now. Charts are twins. And again, if I take you to Bitcoin, sell-off is on, and you know months in advance, collapse is not done, collapse is not over. Bitcoin heading drastically lower and lower and lower. Zero reason to buy Bitcoin yet. Netflix. Here's Netflix. We left from review from day before. Here's Netflix, historical sell-off, November 2021. Let's go back to October. And what Netflix looked like with Alpha Fibonacci System on October 1st. Prices moving higher and higher and higher. Months in advance, you know, this is not the place to buy. You are smarter than top hedge fund traders on the planet. You are not losing money. You are not buying reversal zone. You are not trigger happy cowboy. You cannot afford to lose billions. Can you? This is what we will focus in today's class. There's 1 billion stake on Netflix at reversal zone. Can you afford to take $400 million loss? Can you afford to gamble with your money? I certainly hope not. So if you want to trade better than top hedge fund managers on the planet, I look forward to working with you. Genius, Theo. 72 points on S&P. Trading better than Aikman. Listen to podcast. CEO trading Bitcoin, Forex, futures, oil. CEO trading it all. In the middle of the night in Australia. Here is Netflix today on June 30th. Intelligent trader understands Netflix looks catastrophic. Collapse from $700 to $170. Oops! Intelligent trader knows what to do with position on Netflix. We'll dissect Netflix in live class. Netflix sell-off is not done. Tesla. When the war plays out and so much hype about oil, everyone expecting Tesla to skyrocket. How is it possible Tesla keeps selling off? It's Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Intelligent trader understands. Sell-off on Tesla started when price reached reversal zone, well before the war. Tesla testing key level now. As we will dissect again in class what to expect on Tesla next. But if I take you back to Tesla before the crash again November 2021, this is what Tesla looked like with Alpha Fibonacci System. Here we are, October 2021. You know, many months in advance, this is not a wise decision to buy Tesla here. Not. And that's very powerful reminder not to gamble with your money, not to trade the hype, no matter how spectacular the earnings on Tesla are, no matter how much everyone expecting shortage on oil, Tesla keeps selling off, collapsing from 1200 until 600 level. That's it. Bitcoin. My goodness. Let's go back to Bitcoin before the crash. All November 2021. I exited all long-term positions before the crash. I exited the markets. I knew that market will collapse. I share my trades with my students. That's it. This is before the crash. Intelligent trader does not gamble with money. Intelligent trader does not trade the hype. Intelligent trader separates strength from weakness. If it's weekly, monthly chart on Bitcoin, or if it's little junky day trading chart. That's it. No speculation, no gambling here. Trader who buys at this level gambles. Success rate less than 20%. Traders who trade with institutions shorting Bitcoin at 70, not buying Bitcoin at 70. Sell-off is not done. Not by any means. And that's the markets with Alpha Fibonacci System. Going back a year. But if I take you back many years before on euro and pound. Here's pound with Alpha Fibonacci System 6 years ago. Hedge fund manager in Zurich trading Forex with Alpha Fibonacci System. Many years in advance you knew that pound collapses to 124. Many years in advance you knew that pound collapsing to 111, 106 buy point. Here's pound now. I just came back from London meeting with students. This is key moment on pound. This level is out, this level is next, this level to follow. But again, if I take you to pound, a year ago, June 2021, here's pound at Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone from this trading room. So in case you miss the events, this is a system. You short the top, you buying the bottom. Here's pound before the crash a year ago. Now we're in very different place on pound. Extremely different place on pound. Very important moment on pound now in June 2022. Intelligent trader knows if this level is out, drastically lower levels on pound to follow. Euro looks a whole lot worse. Euro at critical level. Historical low. Euro had not been at this level since the start and inception of euro. But if I take you back to euro, look at this chart. This is 6 years ago. 6 years ago you knew. If 105 is out on euro, euro heading to 87 cents. 87 cents are out, euro heading to 60. Wow. Did anybody knew 6 years ago about potential war? And Putin showing on Russian news how he would nuke UK? Is this really happening? Is this new reality? Where on Russian news, Russian military staff says Putin being very conservative, but by not using nuclear weapons yet. My students showing me videos while we're having lunch in Hyde Park. of how Russia threatens to nuke UK? So while Russia says they will not touch Austria, Germany, Paris, but London is next? Is this really happening now? Welcome to the new world. It's stranger than fiction. Euro testing historical low. Intelligent trader knows what to do. We don't hear all the truth in American news, but finally Newsweek published the truth. So please, do not trade the hype. Do not trade the noise. Remain firm with Alpha Fibonacci rules and separate strength from weakness. So here's the biggest Bitcoin whale, who the last 2 years encouraged everyone to buy Bitcoin, buy everything that's crypto. My God, he probably did thousands of podcasts. So how ironic is it that crypto whale begging government to regulate Bitcoin because he's losing billions? So if you want to trade better than top hedge fund traders on the planet, as 14-year-old boy does in UK, whose father hedge fund manager brought him to the course, I look forward working with you. Andy manages multi-million-dollar accounts with Alpha Fibonacci System, while Dominic day trades this system. Thinks Alpha Fibonacci System is the easiest thing to trade. He started trading live after 2 weeks in the course, which shows you simplicity of this system and power of your pure brain. As we having lunch with Ken in Hyde Park, he bringing me the most beautiful card as his daughter made for me. Ken made movie about his life. It's posted on website. Ken trading it all, but focus on crypto. So here's an update from Ken. Your FIBs kept me safe. The entire crypto market was in reversal, so I took a break. And this is the reason I live and breathe what I do. The very, very last sentence, Ken says, if Ken can do this, so can you. But every single trader, different background. Every single trader, different instrument. You decide what you want to trade. So this is a card Ken's daughter made for me. So if you make an effort, the sky's the limit. You will separate strength from weakness. You will not gamble with your money. You will trade better than top hedge fund managers on the planet. I coach you how to trade exact same system I coach to JP Morgan traders. You decide what instrument, what time frame appropriate for you, your risk management, your account. So here we are, traders. Markets still remain in bullish weakness, but we remain at the bold green zone. Intelligent trader understands this remains very aggressive point, but there is no other option. S&P oversold, testing critical day trading reversal point. It's in front of you right now. Key moment. Students, this is what we expected. This is what we defined. I'm projecting software on 1 minute chart. Again, we're at institutional buy point. We're at day trading reversal zone. We're dealing with weak buyers. This is aggressive long. There is nothing else that's possible at this moment. Only this. So here we are, traders. There was no other option. This is the only option. We remained firm. We remained unwavered. And that's how intelligent trader trades Alpha Fibonacci System. That's it. So day trading, your cup of tea, this is software for NinjaTrader 8. If not, you can trade system on all platforms all instruments, all time frames. This is it, traders. Are you with me? When institutional buy point is present, number one, you are never shorting near. Number two, you are choosing institutional buy point. You look at 3 points of entry because software gave you signals on multiple charts. I'm projecting software on any chart I choose for the trading room. So when you sign up for the course, you must meet with Pat, who will review software with you. And when you attend live classes on Monday and Thursday, you will understand so much more. Please remember, Monday, July 4th is a holiday in US. Everything closed, all the markets. We will have class on Tuesday, July 5th. So software is showing you clearly, as you learn in the rules. This is a place you exit your long. If you trade multiple lots, you placing your trail very, very close. Chances of price collapsing from this level completely, 80+%. Only gambler remains long right now. Intelligent trader out. Nothing else is possible, only this. That's it. And that's how you trade all markets as Alpha Fibonacci chess. With rules. With the help of software, you choose your trade. Every single trade must be appropriate to your risk management and to your psychological comfort. Another 4 points by a student who understands how to trade the system. That's a critical, crucial part. You must obey the rules. What is 4 points on S&P? One lot. One lot, $50. 1 point on S&P, $50. 4 points, $200 on one lot. On 10 lots, $2,000. On 20 lots, $4,000. This is breathtaking effort by intelligent traders. Every single trader different background. Every single trader decides what time frame appropriate for him, her risk management and account. So here's Brad's account from April 12th. Started with $15,000. Here's Brad's account on June 10th. Less than 2 months, $66,000. This is a trader who is obsessed. This is a trader who is practicing every single day, doing exact same thing as Tom Brady, Lewis Hamilton, every successful human being does. Focus and effort is a must. Success rate 98%. The account is 80K up. Please forward the statement. That's it. This is a trader who is obsessed. This is a trader who is practicing every single day, despite 98% success rate. Again, every single successful human being does exact same thing. So if you are obsessed with the markets, with the Alpha Fibonacci system, you can also use the system for options, as Richard does. Richard has no interest in day trading. He prefers to trade the system via options. Every single trader, different account. Every single trader, different background. And that never gets old. And when trader shares, I really appreciate you. Your system is making me rich. You can do exact same thing. The only thing you have to do is practice daily and make an effort, as all of these traders do, in US and globally since 2011, on all instruments, all markets, all platforms, or with software for NinjaTrader 8. And again, remember what the price is telling you to exit your long. Remember what we discussed? This is how you day trade markets with ultimate precision, with rules, with Alpha Fibonacci software for Ninja 8 or system for all platforms. So if you want to trade better as a top hedge fund managers on the planet, I look forward to working with you. You can always request invitation to the trading room by filling in the form on the website and review in detail. It's all posted on the website. It's a lifetime system for all platforms or lifetime software for Ninja 8. Listen to podcasts, view students' emails, and choose from option appropriate for you. Group class, including it all the most popular option. You can view videos 24/7. You can come to live classes and live trading room. Private mentoring, the most desirable option, savings $8,000 plus. I work with you one-on-one. I give you homework. I keep you accountable. I test you. I quiz you. And you have access to all group classes, video library modules, and trading room. Choice is yours. What course you will sign up for. No software required. Option 1 and option 3. That's it. Again and again and again. View students' performance, read students' reviews, listen to podcasts. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders, so much. We will take a break and then we are off to the live historical class, where we will discuss current markets, current events, and how you can trade Alpha Fibonacci system on all platforms. That is next. Thank you so much for spectacular months. Thank you so much for spectacular morning. You are serious about trading? Sign up now and you will join us in the live class next.